भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। On page 137 in Hindi Tika, fourth line from top is incorrect. It is just a repetition of third line and fourth line together. So that fourth line you remove. If you are reading Hindi, see in Tika now. So what the last thing that we saw in Bhashya, अत्यंत पृथक्त्वे च द्रव्यादीनां स्पर्शवद स्पर्श द्रव्ययोरिव षष्ठ्यर्थानुपपत्तिः. If there are two dravyas which are atyanta prithak, like ghata and akasha, ghata has sparsha, ghata is sparshavan, so sparshavat, and akasha is asparsha dravya. Sparshavad asparsha dravya yoriva, they are completely distinct and they have sparsha and asparsha, but they cannot have any sambandha. Shashtyartha sambandha anupapatti. In the same way, Himachal and Vindhyachal, one is cold, another is hot, but there is no sambandha possible between them. Now, further in Tika, Anumanam, Kincha. So a question was raised, what are the 5 things in Anumanam in English? You see, I don't know the English names, but I will explain in English. First one is Pratignya. I think it's called preposition. In Pratignya, there are 2 aspects, Paksha and Sadhya. Second part or the next part is Hetu. Hetu means a reason that requires Vyapti. Vyapti is otherwise known as invariable concomitance. So you have paksha, sadhya, hetu. Hetu will have vyapti. Then is drashtanta, example. After that there is upanaya and nigamana. So Vedanta says you don't need all five. Vedanta says if you have pratignya, hetu, drashtanta, that's enough. Or if you have drashtanta, upanaya, nigamanam, that is enough. Out of five, either first three or last three. Udaharan paryantam yadvodaharanadikam. But Nyaya needs all five. Panchavayava prayoga. So the Upanaya is taking the Drishtanta and applying it to the Darshtanta or Paksha. So in Paksha, there is Hetu. This you have to show in Upanaya. Means it is already there. You just have to say that this Paksha also has that Hetu which has the Vyapti of the Sadhya. Now it is not in English, but it has main parts which you already know. So this Paksha has the Hetu which has the Vyapti of the Sadhya. Means Vanni Vyapya Dhrumavan Parvatah, Ayam Parvatah. Tathacha Ayam. In Panchavayava they say Tathacha Ayam. Tathacha Ayam Parvatah. Ayam Parvatah Vanni Vyapya Dhrumavan Parvatah. This Parvat has Dhruma which has the Vyapti of Vanni. And fifth one they say Tasmat Tatha. Tasmat Tatha. Tasmat Parvato Vannima. Tatha means, therefore, what was said in Pratignya, same thing you have to say in Nigamana. Parvato Vannima is Pratignya. Tasmat Tatha. Tasmat Parvato Vannima. So because this Parvata has Dhruma, which has the Vyapti of Vanni, therefore, Parvat will have Vanni. Vanni Vyapta Dhrumavan Ayam Parvata. So these are the five things. Now here you see Anumana. Kincha Ichhadayo na Atma Gunaha Upajana Apayavatvat Rupadivat. Ichha, this is Siddhanti Anumana. Ichhadi, they are not Atma Gunas, not Atma Guna. Upajana Apayavatvat. Upajana means growth, Apaya means decay. Ichhadayaha na Atma Gunaha Upajana Apayavatvat. So that is the Hetu. Rupadivat. Rupa, according to Siddhanti, is not Atma. Atma is formless or Rupa. And Rupa has Upajana Apaya. Means it changes. It can increase, it can reduce. In the same way, Ichhadi also, they have Upajana Apaya. So in Paksha also there is Hetu. Therefore in Paksha also there will be Sadhya. So therefore Ichhadi are not the gunas of Atma. This is Anumana. Second Anumana. Yadva Atma na anitya gunavan nityatvat vyatirekena dehadivat. Vyatireki Anumanam is there. Okay, now you all can answer. What is the pratignya in the second Anumanam? Atma na anitya gunavan. Up to that is pratignya. What is paksha? Atma. Atma is paksha. What is sadhya? Na anitya gunavan. न अनित्य गुणवान, so sadhya will be anitya gunavatva abhava in Atma, or you say just न अनित्य गुणवान, न अनित्य गुणवत्व. This is sadhya. Means in Atma we have to show that Atma does not have anitya guna. Now, that means sadhya is nitya guna. Na anitya guna means nitya guna. There is no nitya guna in any anatma. No anatma can have nitya guna according to Vedanti. And therefore, Anvayi Vyapti will not be possible. Hetu is nityatva. Atma is nitya. So in Atma, nityatva is there. But in Drashtanta, where will we get nityatva? We will not get. According to Vedanta, only Brahma is nitya. Atma is nitya, nothing else is nitya. Nirgunatvam you cannot say. No, anitya gunatva abhav. Sadhya is anitya gunatva abhav. In other words, you can say Atma has satyatva as guna, jnanatva as guna, anantatva as guna, anandatva as guna. Even though they are not guna, it's guna, guni, sambandha, but they can be considered as guna, then they will be nitya. Means as long as Atma is there, Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, all will be there. So, Anitya Gunatva Abhava in Atma. So, there is no Anatma which is Nitya Guna. So, there is no Anvayi Drashtanta. Drashtanta will be only that where there is no Sandeh. Paksha is Sandikha Sadhyavan. Where there is doubt about sadhya, that becomes paksha. Sandikha sadhyavan paksha. And nishchita sadhya abhavavan vipaksha. Nishchita sadhya abhav. So when you are sure that there is no sadhya, sapaksha is nishchita sadhyavan sapaksha. So here, nishchita sadhya, anitya guna abhava, you will not find in anything. You cannot say Atma, Atma is already paksha. But then Atma, nothing else has nitya guna. Anitya guna abhava, nitya guna is not there anywhere. That's why vyatirekena dehadivat. Vyatireki vyapti, see, Anvayi vyapti will be yatra yatra hetu tatra tatra sadhya. Vyatireki vyapti will be, what will be the nature of Vyatireki vyapti? Yatra yatra sadhya bhava, tatra tatra hetu abhava. It will be reversed. Yatra yatra hetu tatra tatra sadhya. This is Anvayi. Vyatireki will be yatra yatra sadhya abhava, tatra tatra hetu abhava. So here, yatra yatra sadhya bhava means yatra yatra na anitya gunatva abhav. Na anitya gunatva abhav. Na is already there. So you have to say na anitya gunatva and then abhav. Means anitya gunatva. Tatra tatra hetu abhav. Anityatva. यत्र यत्र अनित्य गुणत्वं तत्र तत्र अनित्यत्वं. Where did you see this Vyapti? In Deha. Deha is anitya, Deha gunas are also anitya. Clear? So everybody got Vyatireki Vyapti, I'm assuming. See in Bhashya now. इच्छादि उपजन अपायवद गुणवत्वे च आत्मनो अनित्यत्व प्रसंग. If ichhadi, they belong to Atma as per Vaisheshikas, then ichhadi will have upajana apaya. Sometimes there are a lot of desires, sometimes there are less desires. Then Atma also will be increasing and reducing. Atma also will become anitya. Because anitya guna will make the guni anitya. Tika. न केवलम आत्मनो अनित्य गुणत्वे अनित्यत्व प्रसक्तिरेव दोषः. Not only that Atma has anitya guna, therefore anityatva prasakti. And prasakti means prasanga. Anityatva prasanga for Atma. This is not the only dosha. Kintu अन्यदपि दोषद्वयम दुष्परिहरम इति. Other two doshas are also there, which are difficult to overcome. So you can't say, oh, let there be some doshas, we will answer it, we will refute it. That dushpariharam. Iti bhadakantaram ah. See in Bhashya. Deha phaladivat savayavattvam विक्रियावत्वं च देहादिवत् एव इति दोषावपरिहार्यौ देह फल आदिवत्. Like body or a fruit, they are savayava. Atma also will become savayava. See, deha has anitya guna. Deha is anitya. If you say Atma also has anitya guna, Atma will become anitya. This is dosha number 1. Second dosha is Deha is savayava. Atma will become savayava. Third dosha is Deha is savikari, vikriyaka. Atma also will become vikriyaka. So anityatva, savayavatva, vikriyatmakatva, all these doshas will be there. These doshau apariharya. These two also will be apariharya dosha. These two mean the last. Savayavatva, vikriyatmakatva. Once you say something is savayavam, it is anitya. Vikari, it is anitya. If you say it is already anitya, then it will be savayavam, avikari, etc. Tika. Now Purva Pakshi comes. Yadi atmano nechhadi gunavadvam tada tasya bandha bhavan moksho na syat. If Atma does not have ichhadi guna, then if Kamana is not there, there is no bondage. Tata tasya bandha abhavat. Tasya atmanaha bandha abhavat. Atma will not have bondage. If bondage is not there, then moksha na syat. Baddhasya bhave sati moksha chinta bandhasya kasyeti vicharanena siddhe sati atma nitya mukte kvabandha chinta kvacha moksha chinta. बद्धस्य भावे सति मोक्ष चिंता. बंध अभावात मोक्ष न स्यात्. अतो बंध मोक्ष व्यवस्था अनुपपत्या. बंध मोक्ष व्यवस्था will not be there. Therefore, पूर्व पक्षी से प्रतिदेहम सुख दुखादि विशिष्ट आत्म भेद सिद्धि. So to accommodate for bandha moksha vyavastha, you will have to say in each deha There is Sukha, Dukkha, Tad Vishishta, Atma Bheda will be there. It's different Atma, different Atma, different Atma. Iti Ashantya Aha. Siddhanti Aha. See Bhashana. यथा तु आकाशस्य अविद्या अध्यारोपित रजो धूममलत्वादिदोषवत्वं तथा आत्मनो अविद्याध्यारोपित बुद्ध्यादि उपाधिकृत सुख दुःखादिदोषवत्वे बन्धमोक्षादयो व्यावहारिका न विरुध्यन्ते आकाशस्य अविद्या अध्यारोपित आकाश है रजो धूम मल इत्यादि अविद्या अध्यारोपित. This is original karika. So sometimes if you see that akasha is, there is a lot of smoke in akasha, there is a lot of dust in akasha, there is a lot of darkness because of clouds, etc. in akasha. Those doshas are actually not there in akasha. They are avidya adhyaropita. They are only superimposed. Tatha आत्मनो अविद्या अध्यारोपित बुद्धियादि उपाधिकृत. In Atma also, Sukha Dukkhaadi that are there, avidya, avidya's karya buddhi, buddhyadikrita Sukha Dukkhaadi. Adhyaropa is there. Sukha Dukkhaadi doshavatve bandha mokshadayo vyavaharika. And therefore, Vyavaharika Bandha Moksha Vyavastha is there. Don't say Bandha Moksha Vyavastha is not there in Atma. But what kind of Bandha Moksha? In Buddhi, Sukha, Dukkha, ityadi are there. Those are superimposed on Atma. And therefore, Vyavaharika Bandha is there. Vyavaharika Moksha is also there. No viruddha. We have seen all tippanis on 137. Tika. Now, avastutvat avidyayas tatkrita vyavahara ayogat. Vyavaharika bandhadi abhyupagama asiddhi rityashankya. Gopakshi says, but avidya is avastu, avastvatmaka. It is not there. You are just giving some name called avidya. And because of avidya, this is there, that is there. Avastvat, avastutvat, avidyayaha tatkrita. Avidyayaha avastutvat, tatkrita vyavahara yoga. How do you say avidya krita vyavahara? And because of that, bandha moksha vyavastha with siddhi will happen. व्यावहारिक बंधादि अभ्युपगम असिद्धि. व्यावहारिक बंधादि will not happen. इति आशंक्यः सर्ववादिभिः अविद्याकृत व्यवहार अभ्युपगमात्. Ashakar gave a big statement. He said everybody has accepted avidyakrita vyavahara. See Bhashana. सर्ववादिभिः अविद्याकृत व्यवहार अभ्युपगमात्. Paramartha anabhyupagamaत्. And in Paramartha, people don't accept vyavahara. So now, how do you say? So Anand Giriji explains that how everybody has accepted avidyakrita vyavahara. Manushyatva. I am sitting right now. What do I refer to as I? Sharira. Aham Manushya. Any Vadi, if you go and ask, are you a human being or not? What will he say? He said, don't you see I am a human being? I look like a monkey or dog. So Manushyatva is superimposed on Atma from there. Deha has Manusha, not Atma. But it is super important. And Vyavahara goes on. Laukika Vyavahara. Vaidika Vyavahara is also there. What kind of Vaidika Vyavahara will be? Aham Brahmana, Aham Kshatriya, Aham Dvija. I have done the thread ceremony. So now I have to do particular karmas. This is what? Avidyakrita Vyavaharam. This is why Bhashyakara had said in Adhyasa Bhashya, Sarve Pramana Prame Vyavaharaha Laukikaha Vaidikasya and Sarvani cha Shastrani Didi Pratisheda Moksha Parani. All of them have Adhyasa. Adhyasam Puraskritya. Eva Bhavan. Avidyakrita Manushyatwadi Adhyaropena Laukika Vaidika Vyavahara Sarvavadi Virishyate. All Vadis have accepted. Anybody who says Aham Manushya, Avidyakrita Vyavahara is there, Laukika. Anybody says I am a Vaidika. Vaidika means I follow the Vedas, means Atma is different from Sharira. And he will do any sadhana, Vaidika Karmadi or Dhanadi, Yajna, Dana, Tapa, anything, or any other darshana also, whatever sadhana that they prescribe. It is with this assumption that the sadhana requires the deha, but punya goes to Atma, quote unquote, whatever is their definition of Atma. So Adhyaropa is already there. Because the one who is going to get the punya is not this body, but this body's features, including Gotra, Nakshatra, Janma, everything will be taken into account. And then in which desha this sharira is, in which kala, what kind of puja or sankalpa is taken up, everything. So all this is avidya adhyaropa. Sarvavadi virishyate. Tatkrita cha vyavastha asthiyate. And tatkrita vyavastha, see one number tippani. Vasante brahmano agnin adadhit. Iti evam adi rupa vyavastha iha abhyutaniya. This kind of vyavastha. In Vasanta Ritu, Brahmano Agnin Adadhita. Brahmana should do Agni Adhanam. And Jata Putraha Krishna Keshaha Agni Adadhita is the one who has a child and whose hairs are still black. He should do Agni Adhanam. Now, hairs are still black means I have head which has hair. This is Adhyaropa, avidya only. So all this vyavastha is done through avidya. Tasmad asmakam abhi tathaiva sarvam aviruddham ityartha. If every vadi has accepted, we also accept. All vyavahara is with avidya. In Paramartha, there is no vyavahara. So all gunas and sukha, dukkha, ichha, etc., they belong to buddhi. They are superimposed on Atma. In the same way, bandha, moksha also, they are there in buddhi, superimposed on Atma. So in Vyavahara we say like that, Atma is bandha, Atma will be mukta. But in Paramartha, Atma is no bandhana, therefore no mukti. Paramartha cha mokshe kenapi vadina vyavaharana abhipagamyate. And in Paramartha, where there is moksha, no vadi, no darshanika says there is vyavahara. Means where bheda is. Because vyavahara requires bheda. So in Paramartha, there is no Vyavahara. That is why it was already said, it is Avyavaharyam. Brahma is Avyavahara. And if you say, I want to do some Vyavahara, you have to come to Vyavaharik Satta. No, I want Vyavahara in Paramarthika Satta. Vyavahara in Avyavaharika Satta is not possible. Neither it is possible in Pratibhasika Satta. Vyavahara. Pratibhasik Vyavahara is possible. Vyavaharik Vyavahara is not possible. And in Paramarthika Satta, no Vyavahara is possible. In Paramarthik Vyavahara is possible. There is no Paramarthik Vyavahara because Paramarth is only one. Acha. Mokshe. Second number tippani also you see. Tasmat means avidyaka vyavaharasya sarvasammatatvat. Avidyaka vyavahara is sarvasammat. तथा च मोक्षे परेषां वादिनां व्यवहारस्य एव अभावात् तन्निर्वाहक पारमार्थिक भेद अभ्युपगमो वृथा इत्यादि. And in moksha avastha tippani also परेषां वादिनां there is no vyavahara. So vyavahar nirvahaka paramārthika bheda he is also not accepting it as a paramarthik bheda in vyavahara is vritha, is unnecessary. Yeah. Paramartha anadvitagamacha. Kalpita bheda vashadapi पूर्वोक्त सर्व व्यवस्था सौस्थ्यात् पारमार्थिक आत्मभेद कल्पना प्रमाण प्रयोजन शून्य इति उपसंहरति. कल्पित भेद, when there is kalpita bheda which we accept, पूर्वोक्त सर्व व्यवस्था सौस्थ्यात्, all व्यवस्था will fit in. बंध मोक्ष सुख दुख राग इच्छा सुख दुख everything. पारमार्थिक आत्मभेद कल्पना is pramana shunya and prayojana shunya. There is neither pramanam nor prayojanam for atmananatva, atmabheda. So there is only one atma. Iti upasamharati. Tasmat आत्मभेद परिकल्पना वृथैव तार्किकैः क्रियते. Therefore, आत्मभेद कल्पना is वृथा एव तार्किकैः क्रियते. Because they create mithya kalpana. Sankhya also and these Tarkika. See, Tarkika means all of them are called Tarkika. Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, all. Because they use Tarka as Mukhya Pramana, not Shastra. Further now, Tika. Advaitasya Shrutyadi Virodabhave api Anumana विरोधम आशंक्य अनैकांतिकत्वेन अनुमानम दूषयति. Advaita does not have Shrutyadi Virodha. Shrutyadi Virodha abhave api. But Anumana Virodha might be there, Purvapakshi says. So what is Shrutyadi Virodha abhava? 4 number tippani. तत्र भेदानां तात्विकत्व अनपेक्षणात्. Vedas, they don't have tatvikatva, means actual bheda is not there. Tatvikatva anapekshanaat kalpitatvam adayapi. Ya is missing there. Kalpitatvam adaya api upapadyate. So Siddhanti has done the vyavastha by accommodating kalpitatva. Kalpita Veda is there. and जीवानाम उत्पत्ति प्रलय प्रतिपादक श्रुति अत्र ग्राह्या. उत्पत्ति प्रलय means yato va imani bhutani jayante. All such shrutis, you can say there is kalpita bheda vyavastha, everything is working. And adina sukha dukkhadi vyavastha api grahya iti bhava. Sukha dukkhadi vyavastha is also there. So whenever it is said that jiva is sukhi dukhi and is referring to jiva as atma, then you say it is kalpita or due to aropa. And if you say buddhi, then you say yes, this is how it is normally. 5 number tippani says anumana virodham. Anumanasya tatvika bheda avagahitvat. Because Purva Pakshi thinks Anumana will show real tatvika bheda. So Shruti may say kalpanika bheda, but Anumana is proving tatvika bheda. Iti bhavata. So what is his Anumanam? From this next karika, we can do Anumanam of his Anumanam. Can you try to think of what is his Anumanam that he is thinking, answer to which is 6th karika. I will tell you what is his pratigna. Pratigna is Atma Bhedavan or Atmanaha Nanatvam. Atma is with Bhedas, Sajatiya Bheda. Or there are many Atmas. Atmanaha Nanatvam. This is pratigna. Why? What is the hetu? रूप कार्य समाख्यानाम भेदत्वात्. रूप कार्य समाख्या. Each individual has different rupa. Each has different karya. Each has different samakhya means nama. So rupa means forms, etc., attributes, etc. Karya, activity. Samakhya means name. Samyak akhya. Rupa karya samakhyaasya vidyante. Rupa karya samakhyanam bhedatvat. Atmanah bheda. Rupa karya samakhyanam bhedatvat. What will be the drishtanta? Drishtanta you can say Ghatavat. Like Ghata has different rupa, different karya, different samakhya. You say this pot is for water, this pot is for milk, this pot is for something else, for keeping rice, grains, etc. So Vidyante. Siddhanti says, no. We will do another Anumana. Atmanaha Bheda Bhavaha. Rupa Karya Samakhyanam Kalpanikatvat Akashavat. Rupa Karya Samakhya, they are only Kalpanika. They are superimposed. They are not real. Vidyante tatra tatra vai. So the Bheda is only Kalpanika, like Akash. Akasha really doesn't have any Bheda. Let's chant the Karika. Rupakarya Samakhyaascha Vidyante tatra tatra vai. Akashasya na vedosti tadvajjiveshu nirnayah. So this Karika is Siddhanti's Anumanam answering or refuting Purva Pakshi's Anumanam. And assumed Anumanam. Purva Pakshi might have some Anumanam. So this Karika is saying no. रूप कार्य समाख्याश्च तत्र तत्र भिद्यन्ते आकाशस्य न भेदः अस्ति. Names may be different, use may be different, forms, attributes may be different. In size is different, texture is different, color is different. Like we all see, Samanya Anumanam will be what? Look, Devadatta is a painter. We given in Tippani, I think, Pachaka, Pathaka. You see, Rupadi Vyavare, 6 number Tippani. Gauraha, Krishnaha, इत्यादि रूप व्यवहार. आदिना पाचकः पाठकः कार्य व्यवहार. देवदत्त यज्ञदत्त समाख्या. You see, names are different, attributes are different, work is different, therefore they are different. This is Samanya Anumana. Devadatta is painter, Yajnadatta is a dancer, Chaitra is carpenter, and Maitra is non-doer, doesn't do anything, or troublemaker. So they are different. And among others, like birds can fly, we cannot fly. Fish can swim, everybody cannot swim like them. Animals, some animals, they come out only in the night, in the dark. Monkeys can jump, cows can give milk. So these are all varieties. This is not true everywhere. Therefore, all jivas are different. This is the Samanya Vyakti. So Siddhanti says, but in Akasha, this is Vyabhichari. This Vyakti Vyabhichari is there in Akash. Akashasya Bheda na asti. There is no Bheda. Bheda is only seeming. Tadvat Jiveshu Nirnaya. In the same way, in Jiva also, this Nirnaya can be done that, now you see, Jiveshu is Bahuvachanam. So you say that in the Upadhi, because of which Jivatva is there are Bhedas. But Atma does not have such Bhedas. Tadvat Jiveshu Nirnaya. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam Aha. Shloka Vyavartyam, this we have already seen earlier. It was said that Shanka which is removed by Shloka, means this Karika, 6th Karika, that Shanka is first raised by Bhashyakar first. Katham punar atma bheda nimitta iva vyavahara ekasmin atmani avidyakrita upapadyate iti. Katham punaha atma bheda nimitta iva vyavahara. How this Vyavahara, which is Atma Bheda Nimitta Iva, Vyavahara which has Atma Bheda as the Nimitta. How Ekasmin Atmani Avidyakrita, because you said one Atma is there, but because of Avidya, Atma Bheda Vyavahara is done. So Purvapakshi is asked, how? Pratham Tika. Anand Giriji has used this opportunity to elaborate on so many points. Now you see, he writes couple of things and there also Anumanam is done. Yatha Atma Bhedavade Tad Bheda Nimitto Rupadi Vyavaharas Tatha Ekasmin Neva Atmani Atmaikya Pakshe Rupadi Bheda Vyavaharo Nopapadyate. Just as Atma Bhedavade, if Atma Bheda was there, Tad Bheda Nimitto Rupadi Vyavahara. Atma Bheda Nimitta Rupadi Vyavahara means Rupa Karya Samakhya that we already saw in Tippani. तथा एकस्मिन्नेव आत्मनि, सिद्धांत says in one atma also, एकस्मिन्नेव आत्मनि आत्म ऐक्य पक्षे रूपादि भेद व्यवहारो न उपपद्यते. Means पूर्व पक्षी will ask that in one atma रूपादि भेद व्यवहार will not happen. Therefore, you will have to accept more atmas, many atmas. So it is anumanam. तथा च विमता जीवाः तत्वतो भिद्यन्ते. पूर्व पक्षी says विमताः जीवाः तत्वतो भिद्यन्ते. भिन्न नामकत्वात्, भिन्न कार्यकरत्वात्, भिन्न रूपत्वात्, घटपटादिवत्. This I already explained that there is भिन्न रूप कार्य समाख्या. Name is different, कार्य is different, रूपादि are different, like घटपट. घटपटादिवत् इति अनुमानम, अनुमान विरुद्धम अद्वैतम. Your Advaita is विरोधी of such अनुमानम इत्यर्थः. विमताः means जीवा. He is using जीवा. Atmanah also you can say tatvatah vidyate. Because sometimes we will say jivas are many, we accept. How? Pratibhimbavada, one Surya is there, so many ghatas, they have jalam, many pratibhimbas. Ghatakashadishu anaikantikatvam vivakshitva shlokaksharani vyutpadayati. Ghatakashadishu, Ghatakasha, because avachedavada is going on, so he is using Ghatakasha. Ghatakashadishu anaikantikatvam vivakshitva. Anaikantikatva means vyabhichara. In Ghatakasha, this Vyapti has vyabhichara. With this vivaksha, shlokaksharani vyutpadayati. Vyutpadayati kaha? Kaha vyutpadayati? Not Gaudapadacha. Ashyakara. He keep up to here. From Uchyate, we will take up later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.